Nanomaterials play a vital role in the development of novel functional materials for a variety of applications, including biomedicine, membrane technology, and wastewater treatment. In this work, we present the in situ co-precipitation of magnetic iron oxide nanoparticles on polyacrylonitrile polyacrylic acid nanofibers for the photocatalytic degradation of organic pollutant in water. This work is presented to you by the Synthetic Organic Chemistry Laboratory of the Institute of Chemistry, University of the Philippines, Diliman, and in collaboration with the Physics Department of the Ateneo de Manila University. Textiles and other related industries produce dye-contaminated wastes that may lead to contamination of the surrounding bodies of water. These poses a detrimental effect in the aquatic ecosystem and even in human health. Recently, the use of nanomaterials for wastewater treatment has gained tremendous interest due to their unique properties that cannot be offered by bulk materials. One of the most interesting classes of nanomaterials are the nanocomposites, particularly the polymer metal oxide tandem. Polymer nanofibers are known for their lightweight, chemical stability, and mechanical integrity that can also serve as an excellent matrix for metal-based nanostructure immobilization. Meanwhile, metal oxide nanoparticles are highly regarded due to their interesting optical and electronic properties. Combining these two materials together has led to the development of novel functional materials that can be used for different applications such as antimicrobial mats and fabrics, energy storage devices, sensors, and even in photocatalysis. In this work, we fabricated a composite of polymer blend nanofibers metal oxide nanoparticles for the degradation of organic dye in water. Here, we couple polyacrylic acid and polyacrylonitrile as nanofiber components due to their good compatibility and mechanical stability. We selected magnetic iron oxide nanoparticles due to its known photocatalytic potential. Moreover, its magnetic property offers an advantage in recovering the composite in the aqueous media conveniently. To realize this goal, we employ electrospinning technique to obtain nanofiber sheets from the blend of polyacrylonitrile and polyacrylic acid. Afterwards, in situ reduction of iron ions on the nanofibers was done by subsequent soaking and alkaline treatment of the nanofibers. The successful precipitation of ferric and ferrous ions was evident by the change of color of the nanofibers from white to bright yellow-orange to black. The black color indicates the presence of iron oxide on the surface of the nanofiber. Using an external magnet, we have shown that the produced composite is indeed magnetic. UV-based spectroscopy result exhibited an apparent reduction in the transmittance spectra of the composite in the UV region, suggesting that the sample has absorbed UV light as expected from metal oxides. Meanwhile, Fourier transform infrared spectral analysis revealed that the bands corresponding to the functional groups present in polyacrylonitrile and polyacrylic acid are present in the spectrum of the nanofiber. Moreover, a band at around 550 per centimeter corresponding to the FeO bond was observed in the spectrum of the composite, confirming the presence of iron oxide in the nanofibers. Dye degradation experiment revealed a notable decrease in the absorbance intensity of the dye after some stabilization time, which is associated to the rapid absorption of the dye on the composite. After around 150 minutes, the maximum dye degradation efficiency was recorded with a value of about 90%. Photodegradation of the dye using unmodified nanofibers under UV irradiation exhibited no significant reduction on the absorbance intensity of the dye. We also exposed the dye solution under ultraviolet light to confirm the degradation was not induced by the energy from the UV radiation. We consequently observed no changes in the optical absorbance of the dye even after 90 minutes of irradiation, suggesting that the dye degradation was indeed due to the presence of the iron oxide. In summary, a nanocomposite based on polyacrylonitrile, polyacrylic acid, and magnetic iron oxide nanoparticles was fabricated for the photodegradation of organic dye in water. Photodegradation experiments showed a degradation efficiency of about 90%. Further experiments revealed that the degradation of the organic pollutant was mainly due to the presence of iron oxide on the nanofibers. We further recommend the thorough investigation and other parameters to improve the performance of the proposed composite material. This work forms part of the research project funded by the University of the Philippines Diliman Natural Sciences Research Institute. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of the Concord.